What I want to share with you today is a milestone of my existence in this world. I'm turning half a century, and that is something we can thank for. A milestone of laughter and tears, hopes and dreams. These pictures will be a collection of memories for the coming years to come, for my family, friends, colleagues, children, and my grandchildren. As I woke up this morning, I began to realize how time flies and how fast life is. 10 years from now, God willing, I will begin my journey as a senior citizen. When our youth gradually faded, and so does our health. Whether I like it or not, I am nearing the sunset of my life. But while the sun is still up, shining brightly above the horizon, I will explore, spend the best days of my life with simple yet significant things in life. I will continue to build passion to my causes that brings joy to every Christmas to some kids in my community. I will continue to build good relationships with my kids and teach them to be strong and ready for whatever challenges in life they will encounter as they make their own paths. I would like to say thank you to all my friends who made the celebration a success. But special thanks to Ate Jackie, Ate Evelyn, Clarissa, Noreen, Daisy, and Micheline for helping me with the decoration and preparation of the venue. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope that you will enjoy watching our pictures during the party. Our friendship will always be in my heart. Thank you for the colors you all brought into my life.